we can enable first-person navigation in Houdini. I enjoy this navigation method because it's quite similar to the Unreal Engine navigation. This fly-through mode lets you move the camera through the scene using movement keys, so WASD keys, with a mouse look, so you can look around with the mouse. Okay, to enable first-person navigation, we can go to the View tool and then click this button here to enable first-person navigation mode, or you can press the shortcut M. Now we get this crosshair in the center of our view, and we can left-click and drag to look around. We can use WASD to move forward, backwards, left and right. Press and hold Shift to temporarily increase the movement speed, or press and hold Control to temporarily decrease the movement speed. Right mouse button, click and drag, will pan or drag up and down to move vertically. What's interesting is we can double-click on some geometry in the scene view to jump the camera to that geometry. To change the movement speed, you can scroll the middle mouse button. You will notice it shows you in the scene view that you're increasing or decreasing the speed. You can press the Q key to move the viewport camera down and the E key to move the viewport camera up. There are some options available for this tool, so you can press the P key or you can go and click on this button to show the view tool preferences. So here we can enable the first-person navigation. We have a toggle for that. You can also lock vertical movement. This is useful if you want to simulate walking around on a ground plane, for example. And then you have other options such as the movement and turn speeds as well. So this navigation method again is very similar to the fly-through navigation method that we have in Unreal Engine, so you may prefer this. Give this a try.